Welcome everybody. Ralph Havens here from Ralph Havens Physical Therapy. I am using a matrix energetics technology today to help you. We're going to do a session, and what I'd like you to do is sit back and relax and notice what you notice. What you might do is check in and ask yourself if there was something that could change for you today, right now, what might that be? So you might want to stop the video in a moment and check things so that you have a little pretest. You can check your neck range of motion, your back range of motion, your hips, your shoulders. If you have something that's bothering you, you can check in on it right now and see what you're noticing. If you have something that you'd like to change that you would check on later, like your finances or relationships or something like that, you can check in on that when it's appropriate. So take a moment now and just ask yourself, if there was something to be done for you today, what might that be? And then when you're ready, come on back. Okay, so I'm going to use my hands, so I'm going to talk or not talk. That's not the important part, but I'm going to access a state for us now, and then we will recheck in a little bit. So let's go to do nothing. And leave nothing undone. Now that's a phrase that's used in matrix energetics. Richard Bartlett developed matrix energetics, and he talks about do nothing, leave nothing undone. It's an ancient wisdom from the Chinese, I believe. What I noticed this morning as I was doing my matrix energetics for myself and our family was a flip of this phrase. Do the nothing and leave the nothing undone. Or leave the nothing exposed. So what I noticed is there's this infinite that could be called the nothing. And when we play with it, do nothing, do the nothing, and we leave the nothing undone, what's possibly going on is that we're leaving the nothing undone, the space, the vacuum, the infinite, as undifferentiated, as pure potential. So while we're seeming to do nothing, the nothing is being left undone. So notice what you notice what's different. And you might want to take a little time now and recheck those things that you checked just a moment ago. And if there's something like relationships or money or other things you wanted to change, check in on that. And then email me, let me know what you noticed that's different.